Hi everyone, it's Hazel Cottrell from the Creative Content Company. As a business, we do content for websites, blogging, social media management, social media training and newsletters. Today I'd like to talk about case studies. Case studies are a really good piece of web content to go on your website. They're also really good blog posts. Would you put them on a blog post? Would you put them in a case study tab? The choice is really yours. The main difference is if you're able to upload 3 case studies to start and then 1 a month, you can use them on a case studies page. If you're only able to do less than that, I would recommend you include them in your blog posts instead. Mark them as case studies as a category. And then on a page, if you're talking about case studies, you can then share it on that page and say to see the case studies of this service or product, go to this page with the case studies. So let's talk about case studies. Case studies are a really great way of showing your client or customers the pain points that you fix. You show the pain point and you show how you fix it. The case study clearly shows who you are, what you do, and how you do it, as well as who you do it for. For example, if you've helped an accountant with a common problem that accountants face, and you're sharing that case study, saying the problem that the accountant had, how you resolved it, and then how happy the accountant is with the outcome and the work that you've done, other accountants will go, my goodness, I face that same problem. If they can help that accountant, they'll be able to help me as well. And hence, it will help grow your business and get you out to more accountants. So think about your target audience. Who is your ideal client? Is there an industry you're really keen to get into, or an industry you know you can do really well in? If so, share case studies from your clients. Now here at the Creative Content Company, a shameless plug of course, we can create those case studies for you. We can send you the questions, or we can send the questions direct to your client, or as we've done for one of our clients, we can come to a meeting with you to meet your client or customer and talk through those questions to create the case study. As I said, the case study is in 3 parts. You can do it yourself, or we can help you do it, or we can do it for you. It starts with the problem that the client faced. Part 2 is how you resolve that problem. Part 3 is their testimonial, the outcome, what they've achieved and why they're happy with the service that you offered. So if you're thinking about putting case studies on your website, either as a blog post or a case study tab, and you're not sure how to do it yourself, give us a call. We can talk through how to do it. We can send you the questions, you can send your clients, or we can contact your clients on your behalf to get those case studies. Hopefully that'll help you understand what case studies are and how you can do them. Need any help, give us a call. That's Hazel Cottrell at the Creative Content Company, helping your business achieve more online. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Thank you.